If you want to check voicemail messages on Motorola Edge 60 Pro, then first of all we need to open the phone app. Over here we're gonna open the dial pad by tapping on this icon on the right side, and you want to press and hold number 1 in order to dial the voicemail. After that you should be able to listen to the messages that someone left. You just need to pretty much follow the instructions that you will hear, and in case you cannot reach the voicemail, if it doesn't work for you, if you press number 1 and nothing happens, you might need to update the voicemail number. So in order to do that, first we need to tap on these 3 dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Now over here you should be able to go to voicemail, then go to advanced settings, and over here choose setup. And there it is. This is our voicemail number, which we can edit in case it is incorrect or empty. If you don't know the voicemail number, then you might need to either contact the carrier in order to get that information, or you can just simply try to Google that information. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.